Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the JUFINX Leaf Blower and Electric Air Duster. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
As we get the box open, first thing you'll find is a pretty thick user manual, and as you get further, you'll see kind of some nice parts and pieces. And I'm going to just open this up so you can see some of the cleaning parts. Comes with a bag, and then in that bag you'll have some tools, lots of brushes, different pieces for cleaning out hard to get spaces. So this is really nice. A lot of these things just kind of expect you to blow the thing and not have to do anything beyond that. So having that is a really nice feature. And then it also has a little attachment to tie on if you want for your wrist or whatever. So let's put that back in the travel bag away. So next we'll find some our cable. It's a USB-C, USB-A to USB-C cable, charging cable. And here is a spare battery. And looks like we'll just plug that in right here to get it going. And then we'll have three attachments, different types of blowers here for different purposes. Obviously, it'll change the directions, all that stuff. But just want to show you that they all kind of go in nice and easily. Comes with what I would assume is one on, but maybe not. Yeah, it's got to be in. So I'll figure out how to remove. There's probably my little trigger to turn it on once loaded. We'll figure out how to release the battery. Read your instruction manual like I don't do. I'm a dummy that just goes right to it. So let me figure out how to remove this and remove this. All right, so I didn't even need to. As soon as I pressed pause and started playing with it, I kind of noticed, first of all, the manual release for the battery, but also just twisted this and figured out that that's kind of how you click it on. So you'll twist to get that on. And as far as the battery release, it's just press this button here and pull, and that should release the battery. Now, this thing does come loaded, so if you hold the power down, you'll see the power is already good here. And so we'll just kind of, I think it's a hold. Yep, it is. So I'm just going to blow this. It is loud and effective, I'm assuming. So we're going to go ahead and put that back, put the original piece back on, and we're going to actually take this outside and demo it. But before I do that, I want to just remove this battery and kind of see if this one is charged up too. Make sure that the lights are facing the button. That's the easiest way to kind of figure that out. And then we'll hold. And it looks like we're good. So to change your power of blower, you'll just once you hold that to turn it on, you'll just press that button and the lights will dim out. So we'll go ahead and I mean, it's pretty strong, but I'll show you with some leaves and some dirt and stuff like that, and we'll take it outside. All right, so this might not be the best example because this stuff is soaking wet. We literally just had a pour, you can actually maybe even see it in the straight. The rain came down and blew all kinds of stuff down, but I want to show you how wet this is, but most importantly, I just want to show you the blowing capabilities here. As you get nice and close, you can see it kind of does a decent job, even though it's wet, and you can probably see the reflection of the water here. It does a really nice job. So very powerful little thing. Down to 3, so I'm going to keep it running for a second here. All right, so I admittedly just did pause it even though I said I was going to keep it running, but I do want to show you it's still at that same 3 spot. I want to show you how it does against water. Again, we just got hammered with rain, and we got some standing water, and I just want to show you what it looks like to do that. So how it handles water, pushes it all over. So very nice. Something you could use kind of drying your car after a car wash, probably. It's pretty effective, even from a distance, at blowing water away. As you can see, does a decent job. So let's just kind of dry something real quick. So we're at about 2 right now, and I just want to show you the difference kind of in the space, and I'm hoping you can see it where I dried it versus where I didn't over here. Pretty effective. And again, like if you're blowing off your car, this would be really effective. Getting underneath. I mean, it really does a great job overall of drying things. So I know it says leaf blower. It's gonna, obviously blow some leaves around, but they're wet and stuff like that. So I can't really give you the best demonstration. Although when you do blow kind of wet leaves, I think that's kind of the best demonstration possible. Let's show you, some drier stuff. How it blows around pretty good. Just continue to find some stuff here. But most importantly, I want to show you that we're still at 2. So chunked down a little bit, but again, pretty powerful stuff. So definitely worth buying to me. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.